Well, the siren should be going off any minute now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment and subscribe. And please put a like. Should be going off anytime now. Hopefully. That announcement was clear as a bell. I'm impressed.
Are you done, Mariah?
Good. I'm just recording the siren. Sorry about that. That was just someone asking. Sometimes it'll be delayed, so hopefully it should start up any second. Might take a minute. Should be going off anytime. What the heck? Oh, there it is. A little delayed, but there it is.
Run for your life, tornado. What are you doing? Because you're not supposed to be on here. You know the rules. They're setting the fire, they're setting the tornado alarm going off.
Yeah, they said it was against the rules. I'm just recording it. I mean, it's no harm done. I mean, I'll always get a test for you guys every day. It's what I do. That's how I roll. It was a little delayed starting up. I won't talk anymore. I'll let you enjoy the rest of this. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. It was a little delayed starting up. But there you goes, guys. There you guys go. I'll hopefully be filming it at the campus next month, because I'll be going back to college soon to finish up my associates. So you'll probably see me film it at the college. If not, then I'm probably at class. So this might be the last time until maybe next year. I don't know. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you like it. And please comment and subscribe. And yeah, see you next time. This is Marie Stick. I'm out.